Is it my voice is audible to everyone? May I start my session now? Uh, I try to share my screen also. So if my voice is audible, I will continue my session. Please respond through anyone through chat box. May I continue my session now? May I continue my session? Please respond anyone through chat box. May I continue my session? Yeah, thank you. Okay, in the last class we are discussing about third exercise. Okay, so first of all we try to see that, and just now I'm sending the total units of material in the group. Please verify it once. Okay, Dbms material R19. So please try to check once. And so now I try to share my syllabus also. Okay, so please just wait. Okay, please try to observe once. Here, after now, we are discussing about DDL commands, DML commands, DCL commands, and TCL commands, and string functions, and date functions, and aggregate functions. Okay, and today we try to discuss about the subqueries and nested queries. Okay, I hope all of the members are able to see the screen now, right? So if you observe this, so we're already completing this first exercise, second, not second one, so third one, and fourth one is completed. Today we try to complete it. Okay. So come to the SQL prompt, okay, and I will try to open the, for our better understanding, I'm open the one WordPad also, okay. So first of all, we try to discuss about the union, intersect, and accept. We also know about what is the purpose of union, intersect, and accept, right? Okay. What is the purpose of union? So union is nothing but user like as to combine the both queries, both things from the. Okay, I hope all of the members able to see the screen clearly. Okay. Yeah. What is the purpose of union? How we are using this union? So union is this. This is one of the set operation. One of the set operation. Okay. Purpose is to combine the rows from both tables. Okay. How we are using this? What is the syntax? For example, table one union table two. So this is the syntax. Okay, so that means between the two tables we can use the union. In the same way, what is the purpose of intersect? So it will be, so which are common in both tables. So those are will be displayed. Okay, so now we try to check once. Okay, so in the last class we are creating some tables also. So and I'm explaining about that how we are creating the tables. Okay, so how we are log into here. So connect system slash manager. What it means? System is the username and manager is the password. Okay. In the last class, we are already creating the tables of silers and reserves, and another one is the boats, right? So just to try to display once, select star from siler, okay? Select star from reserve, okay? Select star from boat, okay? Sorry, boats, okay? So now we try to use this one. So we are using like as a set. So select star from select star from silers. Okay, is it not silers? I think siler union. Okay, select star from reserves, not reserves, reserve. Incorrect number of rest of columns. Okay, we try to which are the common in both tables? SIDs, right? SIDs. So that's why we try to combine like that. Okay. Select SID from what's the table name? Siler. Okay. Union. Select SID from reserve. Okay. If you observe here, so we are combining the both SIDs from the tables. Okay. So that means initially we are using one query. So what's that query? Select SID from Siler. So then we are displaying the all SILDs from the SILS table. In the same way, we can display the all SILR IDs from the resource table. Now both are combined. Okay. Now the same query we can use it like as a intersect. So which are common? So which are common? Only those are displayed. So which type of Siler IDs are both are available both in both tables. So only those are displayed. So only these four tuples, only 22, 31, 64, 71. Okay, only those are displayed. Okay, I hope all of the members are able to understood this. Okay, yeah, and we can use the except also. So nothing but minus. So nothing but so the first one is considered, second one is not considered. Okay, so except. Yeah, sorry, not except. So we can use the same purpose. Here we are using the minus. So if you observe this, so only the first one is considered a minus b. Okay, so that means from a, so remove the b. So which are available in the b, so those are removed. So I hope all of the members able to understood this. Okay, just I am using the commit now. Okay, in the last class I'm already saying about that how we are creating the tables. Initially creating the Silas table and maintains the primary key as SID. Okay, so that is the first part. Okay, and the second part is creating the boards table and primary key is BID. Okay, this is the second part. Now the third part is creating the reserves table and primary key is SID comma BID and foreign key are SID from the Silas table and BID foreign key from the boards table. Okay, so this is the manner to creating the those tables. In the last class, I'm saying about that. So in the last class, maybe a lot of time is used for to creating the tables only. Okay, so that's why here in this class we are easily moving that. Okay, I hope all of the members able to understood. So how we are using the union. So now we are discussing about the intersect. What is the purpose of intersect? So intersect is also one of the set operation. Okay, and purpose is which are common in both tables. Okay, only those are displayed. Only those are displayed. Okay, so that is the second thing. Okay, so how we are using this table one intersect and another table. Okay, I hope all of the members able to clear. So next one is the except. So purpose is a minus b. Okay, so nothing but remove b contents from the a. So the type of the operation will be done by using this. Okay, I hope all of the members able to understood. So how we are using the intersect and another one, okay, and union and intersect and exit. Okay, just to try to see the syllabus now. This is the syllabus. Okay, again we try to open that. Yeah. So just if you observe here, so queries along with the subqueries using any, all, in, exist, not exist, and another one is union, intersect, and constraints examples. Okay, so only the second part is completed. Now we try to come for to the first part. Any, all, in, exists, not exist. We are all discussing about the any, right? Okay, for example, so just to clear the screen. Okay, clear the screen. For example, maybe I'm asking the question is, for example, maybe I'm asking the question is any. Okay, so by using any, so this is also set operator to compare every, to compare every tuple. Okay, compare every tuple. Okay, so for example, maybe I'm asking the question, for example, who is having the uh, so who is having the highest is, you select a name from Sailor, where, okay, where age greater than equal to any, okay, any, select, select, uh, select age from Sailor. If you observe here, so we are compare with this one, okay, we are compare with this one. So in this type of a, we are using the any. Okay, here what we are saying here, so select S name from Sailor, where age greater than equal to, okay, any. So in this manner we are using this. Okay. In the same way, all is also we can use it in the same purpose. All those selected. Bob. So what is the age for the Bob? Just to try to check. 63.5. Just to try to open. If you are observing here, so that is the highest age. Okay. So by using all at the same time any, so we can use compare with the all tuples in a table. Okay. Here we are compare with that one. Okay. So we are easily find out who is having the highest. In the same way, who is having the minimum also. Right. Just to try to check once. Less than or equal to all. So 16. Jorba 16. Is it right? So in this type of we are using the any and all. And we try to go for to the in. Okay. In the last class, for example, maybe if I am asking the question is like this. Okay. Find the Silas names who are reserving the red color board by using in operator. Okay, by using in operator. In the last class also we are discussing about the in. Am I right? So how we are displaying using the in the last class. Select, for example, is from Silence. Okay, in. Okay, for example, uh, 63.5. Okay, and 16. Okay, I don't know the remaining ages. Scale from and select star from Sailor. Okay, now I try to write the query. Select age from Sailor. Okay, where age in, 63.5, 55.5. Okay, yes, I'm right line 55.5. Okay, and another one 25.5. So just I want to display whose ages are matched within the braces. Okay, so I hope all of the members able to understood this. So display the particular particular names of the cells. Okay, for example, I want to display the what's that field name, s name. Okay, s name from Siler, where age in within the which are matched with the 63.5, 55.5, and 25.5. Okay, if you observe here, only which are matched within the braces, only those type of names will be displayed. So in that type of way, we are using the in. Am I right? So now we try to use the now we try to use the queries. So who are find the seller names who are reserving the red color board by using in operator. Okay, at this time of situation, we need to combine so three tables. Why? Because here, if you observe this, select star from seller and select star from reserves. Okay, and select star from board. Okay, sorry, boards. Okay, if you're observing here, what I'm asking is I'm asking silent names who are reserving a red color board. Actually, so the reserving information is available in the reserve table, and the names are available in the silent table, and the red color board information is maintained in both table. So at this time of situation, we need to combine so total three tables. Then how we can write the correct? Okay, select s dot s name from Siler, where s dot sid in. Okay, so that means if in the previous case also where age in, so then what happened, that age is verifying the inner query. Am I right? So now in the same way, select s dot sid from reserve. Okay, select s dot s name from Siler. Yes. Okay, Siler s, where s dot sid in. Select s dot s reserve R, where okay, so R dot where R dot BID in operator. Okay, so now select B dot BID from okay boards B, where B dot color equal to red. So this is the manner to using this. Okay, B dot B color, B dot B color. Now we try to see observe this. So from N, okay, from N, and now you clearly understood this. First of all, here we need to identify the name of the seller, and here we are verifying the SID. The same SID is also available in the reserve table, am I right? So reserve table SID and sales table SID is the same. I hope all of them is clear now. Okay, so S dot SID equal to R dot SID, am I right? So that's why here select R dot SID. Then what happened? This in operator verify so whether this attribute is available in the inner query or not. Okay, so it's available. Now we are verifying reserve where R dot RBAD. Okay, so why? Because in the case of reserve table, two attributes are there, so SID and BAD. So this BAD, if for example, if this table name is R, then how we are refer this R dot BAD, am I right? So the same thing is represented R dot BAD in. Then it will be verifying again the inner. Okay, we try to write the okay. If you observe here, so the three names are there. So who are reserving red color port? I hope all of the members clear. Okay, so if you want that, I will try to, you can type it. Okay, select. Initially, what we are require, select s dot s name, right? From, okay. So if you need to the color also, okay, we need the color also. So then, what happened? So just we try to check once. Next we try to see that. Select s dot s name from Sailor S. Okay. So this is the name. Okay, where s dot sid in. Okay, where s dot sid in. Okay, where s dot sid in operator. Okay, next select r dot sid. So when we are using the in operator, then it will verify the inner query whether this in operator. So sid is available in the inner query or not. So that sid is available in the r dot sid. Right? Select r dot sid from the reserve r where r dot bad, okay, where r dot bad in operator. Okay, again select select b dot bad from both b where b dot b color equal to red. Okay, simple. So I hope all of the members able to clear this. Okay, so in this type of we are using the in operator. So these are called referred as a subqueries. Okay, subqueries and queries are by the nested queries. At the same time, some of the queries will be referred as a nested queries also. Okay, nested queries and at the same time correlated queries also. Okay, if you observe here, so these are the so if you observe the inner queries are independent. I'm right or not? For example, if you are executing the inner query, select v dot ba from both b where b dot b color equal to b dot b color equal to red. For example, if I'm write the inner query now. So are you observe this? Simple. So that means I am able to execute the inner query. So that means the inner query is independent from the outer query. So that queries will be referred as a nested. Okay, I hope all of them is clear now. Again, I try to type here for your better understanding. So nested queries are subqueries means a, a query is having another query. The query is having another query. Okay, the query is having another query. So the type of the queries will be referred as nested queries or maybe the subqueries. Okay, then what is the difference between correlated queries and nested queries means? So in the case of nested queries, in the case of nested queries, inner query is inner query is independent independent from the outer query. Okay, so that means we can able to execute the inner query without using the outer query. But in the case of correlated nested queries, okay, correlated nested queries, inner query is based upon outer query. Okay, we will try to see later. So best example for the nested query is in operator. Okay, so now I'll try to discuss about the not in. So not in means, for example, if I'm asking the question is find the seller names, find the sellers names who are not reserving the who are not reserving the red color vote. Okay, so then we can perform the small changes in this. So in this query here, I'm try to copying the same query in here. Okay, just I try to type the paste here. Okay, so here select s dot s name from signer std where s dot std. If I'm placed here not in, so then it is not considered. Simple. Okay. Okay. I understood this. Just to try to type the paste here. So if you observe here, so these members not reserving the red color vote. Still, if you are having any type of the doubt, still if you are having any type of the doubt, okay, I will try to giving the another clarification. Select that S star S name from Siler. So I think here we need not to use the, we are not able to using the query. Okay, so this is the best example. Who are not reserving the red color vote. So this is the best one. So what we are changing here just only, so before what is the, whatever it may be the first in. So here then it is not considered who are not reserving the red color vote. Simple. Okay. And another thing is here the query is having another query. So that type of the format will be referred to as, the format will be referred to as subqueries. Okay, I hope all of the members are able to clear now. Okay, now we'll try to discuss about the exists also. Okay, exists. How we are using the exists. Just to try to see from the net. Okay, to google.com exists in ESQL. So if you type like this, the number of queries are there. So if you're having the time in your homes, please try to practice all these queries. Okay. So how, what is the syntax for this? Select column names from the table name where exists. Select column name from table name where condition. Okay. So we try to using the same thing format. Select. Okay. Select star from silence where exists. Okay. Select test name from silence. Okay. Where exists. That from select s dot s name from silence. Yes. Where where exists. Select r dot bad equal to for example 100 or 103. Okay. So try to 3. Select r dot bad. Select star from what we are required. So what is the, who are reserving this boat number 103. So we want to display this elements who are reserving the port number 103. Then how we are writing this query? Select is dot name from silences where exist select. Okay. Select what we are required here. So r dot bad from r dot bad from. So what is that? Reserve r. where, okay, where r dot bad equal to 103. If you observe here, so here displaying the file names who are reserving the port number 103. So these members reserving the port number 103. And if you observe here, so more than one row is occurred. So that's why you try to use this one. Okay. So if we are using the distinct keyword, then it will be eliminating the duplicate things. If you observe here, so if any duplicate entries are there, Horatio is appear two times. All right. So if you are using the distinct here, select distinct, distinct. So then Horatio only appeared only once. So in the same way, here we try to represent who are reserving the port number 101. Okay. In the same way, here we try to see 104, 103. Okay. Okay. I hope all of the members clear now. So if you observe here, so just here consider just one example. So what table is considered? The table is product ID, product name, supplier ID, category ID, unit price. Okay, and consider another table, supply supplies table. This is the products table. Okay, supplier ID, supplier name, contact name, address, city, postal code, country, and how we are using the exist here. Select supplier name from suppliers where exists. If you observe here, so here we need supplier name. Okay, and here you are using exists operator. So when we are using the exist operator, so this is used for test for the existence of any record, any subquery. So here it will be verify whether any type of the record is belonging to the supplier or not. So then select product name from products where products dot supplier id equal to supplier dot supplier id and price less than 20. So then it will be displaying the output. Okay, in the same way here also we can using the same thing. For example, here, okay, select s dot s name from Siler. Okay, the selected s now from Siler where exists. Select here. So what we required. So here we required product ID. Okay, select our where where r dot sid equal to s dot. If you observe here, select s dot s name from signer as where exists. So then it will be verify the inner query. Okay, what is the inner query? So whether any type of the, if you observe here the definition. So what's the definition? Exist operator returns. Exist operator is used to test for the existence of any record in a subquery. So whether any record is available in the subquery or not. If you observe here, select s dot s name from silence says where exists. So then it will be verify this record belongs to in the inner query. Select r.sid from reservoir. So then compare the all r.sids where r.sid equal to s.sid. So that means which are matched in the both tables and who are reserving the port number 103. If you observe here, so port number 103 is reserved by only uh, for according to our understanding. Here I just change. So the port number is 104. If you observe this one, 104 is reserved by only two people who are the 22 and another one is 31. Okay. So destined and lapper. So if you want another clarification, so I will try to give here select s dot s name, comma s dot sid. If you observe this 2231 is there. Okay, I hope all of the members clear now. Okay, today also, tomorrow also, we try to practice on these queries, and next we try to go for to the PLSQL. Okay, if you're having any type of the queries, you can ask me through my personal number. And one more thing, okay, we will try to discuss tomorrow. Okay, we will try to meet tomorrow. Okay, have a nice day. Take care. Thank you everyone.